Welcome to 95 Scooter Guy, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove scratch stains from your bike. And these stains are as a result of minor collisions when you're riding around the city. And all you'll be needing for this is just a couple of simple tools. We have the brake oil or brake fluid and a clean piece of cloth. To help with this demonstration, my nephew will be showing us how to go about it. And it's just adding some brake fluid to the rag to get it wet, or to let the brake fluid soak in, and you'll be using that to wipe on the surfaces that have been affected. Now if you look closely, I just did a time lapse of the whole process, and I'm just trying to use the brake oil to soak up the paint as a result of the collision. And also we did it a couple of times because it was not enough to get it out, so we had to do it a couple of times and put a couple of minutes into it, and before we knew it was like brand new again. Although I have a couple of other scratches I've had from falling down and all that. I'll be showing you a couple of videos where I fell. And anyway, thank you for staying to this video. For more videos, kindly subscribe to Let's First Scooter Guy. See you soon.